Hi everyone, Andrew here from Fullscript, and I'm so excited to show you our new feature in the application, Fullscript Protocols. When you sign into Fullscript, you're able to see this new banner. You can click on View Now, and that'll bring you to a list of all the protocols that our medical advisory team has spent countless hours researching so that you don't have to. So let's say you're in a situation you want to learn about immune health or find a protocol for immune health. You can click on that one and see an overview of the condition, the ingredients that have shown to have evidence for the condition. You can read about them, the doses, and find specific references right in there. So if you want to read the actual study, it's right at your fingertips. When you've decided that that protocol is right for you, you can copy it to your protocols, and then you'll be able to see the products that are in there, change the doses, or just approve them as they are. So let's just call this, test protocol 1. And so now that's ready to be used either as a treatment plan, where I can go to New Prescription, Protocols, and I can go to Test Protocol 1 and apply that. Or what I can do is I can go to my protocol section, and with that protocol, I can actually share it with my patients. And so without actually sending a treatment plan to them, I can make sure that my patients have access to that protocol so they can self-serve whenever they want. Whether you're doing one-to-one practice or whether you're doing one-to-many practice, hopefully Fullscript protocols can help you save time on research and make sure that you're sharing evidence-based content with your patients.